So check this out. This is the Vocolinc, and it is a smart AirTag tracker, and you get 4 of them. And it also works with Apple Find My. How awesome is that? And this also is a range of up to 200 feet, voice control with Siri, loud ring, water resistant, and it also has replaceable batteries, the CR2032. Perfect. And it also discourages unwanted tagging. And this is the Vocolinc VT2201. And this is what it looks like. And this is perfect to add to your luggage or your book bag or anything you really want to put and find. So this is what it looks like. You get 4 of these, and it says Vocolinc. And this is what the back looks like. And all you do to open it up is slide your finger around this area, and that's how you would then open up the battery. And it also has a hole here so you can add it on a key ring. And like I said, you get 4 of these. Now there's also an app that you could download, and then you'll be able to find something that you've left behind. It actually instantly notifies you. So if you leave your item behind, say you put these on your keys or something else like your book bag, it'll let you know. It'll also let you know if it's detected by another Apple device. So that's a good alert as well. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do to test to see if it's working is pushing the button. It comes with this user manual. Very nice. It rings through your tracker through the built-in speaker, which is about 80 to 100 decibels, using the Find My app or just asking Siri. You can also locate things that are far away. Locate items just using the Apple Find My network. No subscription fees are required, which is really nice. And the Bluetooth range is about up to 200 feet without obstacles. And if it's out of the range, the Find My app shows its last known location and guides you back too. It also is encrypted, and anonymous Find My network ensures your location history is not stored on the tracker. It's also very durable and water resistant too. And it's also designed for daily use. Now, the battery lasts for about a year, and there's also a low battery notification that's included. And it's also very easy to pair. All you have to do is open the Find My app and click Items, then Add Item, then select Other Supported Items, and then follow the instructions. This is only compatible with iOS devices, not Android. So it's compatible with iPhone as well as iPads too. Perfect. So when you're on the go, you'll be able to find what you've left behind or tracking your luggage. So what you do is you get these 4 Vocolinc Air Tracker tags. They're in black, and you also have the pre-installed batteries as well. Definitely recommended, especially if you're prone to losing things or you just want to know where everything's at. Thanks for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.